In this tutorial, I will show you how to work direct selection tool in Adobe Illustration. So, let's jump on in. I am now in Adobe Illustrator and here is the direct selection tool, which shortcut is A. So, I am easily accessed by right clicking and A, and I am accessing this tool. Now I am drawing a primitive shape like rectangle and accessing this tool. So when I click on the line, you can see when I select the line, you can see here is convert point. This is convert selected, anchor point to smooth. This is corner point, handles, anchors, corners, several buttons in the here will be shown. Then see, I am actually, this is working anchor point tool. Actually, direct selection tool worked with anchor points. So you see, here is the anchor point. I am clicking it and selecting direct selection tool. I am clicking it, and you can see I can place this anchor point in the any region in the canvas. If I select this small button, I am double clicking it and I can choose any of the corners. Let's say I am choosing this one and I am increasing radius. You can see that the corner is appeared as like the image. So I can easily change this is. Also, I am selecting this corner point. I can make it corner. It is already corner. I can make this corner in round. This is handle. And if I want to remove any selected anchor point, you can see I am deleting it. Also, I am cut path at selecting anchor points. If I select this and cutting this, you can see now when I am placing, I am dragging the lines, it is already cutted from this anchor point. This anchor point is cutted out for and separating it. There is no line in between them. Also, here is a reference point. That means in which area and which side we want to make edited the shape. So that was the direct selection tool anchor point. You can see all others horizontal and left. These are appears now. Also, I am drawing another shape. Let's start with ellipse tool. I am holding down Alt and Shift and drawing a rectangle. So see, I am clicking here, two handles appears and this tool allow me to edit the anchor points of this ellipse. I can drag it to this one. I can drag this one. And if I make this to corner point, you see I am easily make leaves from it from this shape using the direct selection tool. So this is a very important tool and master tool in Adobe Illustrator. So everyone should know about it and everyone should know how to use it properly. So I hope you got the points, all the points from this quick tutorial. If so, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.